Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Most of the people like gardening. There are some essential hand tools for gardening. Do you know which are these tools? In today's video we introduce 15 essential gardening hand tools. Okay, let's start. Starting at number 15, we have the gardening gloves. If you've ever tried pulling up nettles or cutting back thorny shrubs without them, you'll understand why gloves are at the top of this list. Even handling fairly harmless-looking plants can leave your hands sore and irritated if they're unprotected. Prolonged use of hand tools can also do surprising damage to bare hands through pressure and friction. Invest in a pair of gloves that are tough enough to defend you from the prickliest of brambles and you'll find gardening a lot more enjoyable. Moving at number 14, we have the hand trowel. When it comes to planting, a hand trowel is indispensable. When you're choosing one, imagine digging up tough weeds with it and ask yourself whether it would be up to the job. As with all garden tools, keep it clean and store it in a dry place to prevent rusting. At number 13, we have the hand fork. Another small but essential garden tool, a hand fork allows you to break up hard, lumpy soil and mix in crumbly compost to achieve a consistency that your plants can grow roots in. At number 12, we have the digging fork. A digging fork is just a larger, long-handled version of the hand fork, though with straight rather than angled prongs. Use it for loosening soil over larger areas or to break up hard soil before digging. At number 11, we have the rake. Rakes have more uses than you might think. As well as being the best way to clear leaves or twigs from your lawn, they can also be used for breaking up soil and leveling out beds. You can choose from straight-headed rakes or leaf rakes with longer, lighter prongs. At number 10, we have the secateurs. Secateurs are one of the garden tools you'll find yourself using the most. No matter what you're doing in the garden, you are likely to come across plants that need cutting back. A good quality, sharp pair have amazing cutting power and can chop through stems or branches of up to 3/4 of an inch. Don't try to force them to cut anything thicker though, or you could blunt or break them. If you have roses, use secateurs to cut off dead flowers once the blooms are spent. This is known as deadheading and encourages the regrowth of healthy blooms. At number 9, we have the long-handled pruners. These are a long-handled version of secateurs that are very handy for reaching up into trees or hedges. The blades are also larger and stronger and so can handle thicker branches of up to 2 inches in diameter, depending on the model. At number 8, we have the shears. Rather than individually chopping through thicker stems, shears are used for cutting back a number of thinner stems at once. They're particularly effective for cutting back hedges and long grasses, or deadheading flowering plants with thinner stems. At number 7, we have the lawn mower. If you have a lawn of any size, it's difficult to do without a lawnmower. These come in all shapes and sizes, from entirely manual mowers to high-tech electrical models. If you want to make life easy for yourself, cutting-edge solutions like Gardenia's robotic lawnmower Sileno will even do all the hard work for you. At number 6, we have the loppers. For heavier duty cutting, you'll want loppers in your arsenal. Loppers usually have the same blade style as pruning shears but have long handles for extra leverage. Not only will the longer handles let you cut thicker branches, they'll let you reach a bit further without needing a step stool or ladder. At number 5, we have the hoe. A hoe is a classic garden tool. There are a number of different types, but a draw hoe, with a flat blade at the end of a typically wooden handle, is the most common. The blade is perpendicular to the handle, making it very handy for moving and shaping soil, and weeding. Hoes can also be used for digging narrow and shallow trenches for planting. At number 4. Garden hose with adjustable nozzle. Water is the foundation of your garden's life, and it's important that your garden hose can reach and spray every area. There are 3 basic hose diameters: 1/2 inch AVG 9 gallons per minute, 5/8 inch AVG 15 gallons per minute, and 3/4 inch up to 25 gallons per minute. An adjustable nozzle puts you in control of the water pressure and spray radius. At number 3. Pruning saw. You would normally associate a saw with cutting wood for various woodworking projects, but a good quality hand pruning saw is also a tool that every gardener should have. Pruning shears might be great for plants and small branches on trees, but larger branches require something with a little more cutting power. A pruning saw is perfect for this because it's designed to cut on the pull stroke, which gives you greater control when sawing branches. At number 2. Spade. For jobs too big for your trowel, a spade will be your tool of choice. A spade is usually a short-handled shovel, often made with a rectangular blade and a perpendicular D handle for extra grip when digging. Unlike a pointed, bowl-shaped shovel, which is best used for digging and breaking up soil, a spade is better suited for slicing through stubborn roots and moving loose soil. And finally, at number 1. Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow greatly eases the burden of moving heavy and awkward gardening materials around your garden. Lump everything including your tools into your wheelbarrow and easily transport them around as you work. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe.